Okay, so I'm back to do another look out of the Better Than Chocolate eyeshadow palette. I actually have like 2 more looks planned with this eyeshadow palette. I really want to use that shade and that shade together, but today I think I'm going to use this shade and that shade together. I think those will look so cute. So I'm guessing like this is my palette for the week because I've been using this palette all week long, but it's so stunning. I really love it. I'm going to prime my lids with this Hard Candy liquid eyeshadow. I really just love this for my primer. It blurs out all the imperfections on my lid, so I love that about it. It sets down completely and it does not move or crease. So I've just been loving this as a primer. And these are like super inexpensive, $3 or $4. Okay, so I am just gonna start off with this shade here. And I'm gonna put that in the crease and just work that up to the brow. Just give us something nice and neutral to work off of. So now I'm just gonna pick up that plum shade and I'm gonna start putting that on this outer corner. When you think like Better Than Chocolate, you would not think like plum shades, but like I love that they added in like plum and purple and the like purple to blue shift, like just a few little pops of color, but purple really does go really nicely with browns. So I am glad that they added just like a few little pops of color in here. Then I'm just gonna pick up this shade with my finger. I'm gonna start applying that because this is a really like light shade. You do have to build this one up a little, but it is just stunning. It's like purple, but it has like pink glitter in it, so I love it. So pretty. And then I will just put a little on a flat brush and blend out the edges. That is such a cute look. Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and clean up with a makeup wipe. Okay, so now I'm just gonna add a little bit of eyeliner in the waterline. This is actually a purple eyeliner. I just thought it would be fun to add a little color. It really is so dark though, it kind of looks black. Just a really like deep plum purple. Okay, let's move into skin. Today for primer, I'm using the Maybelline Grippy Serum Primer. I love this primer. I think it is so good. It's very hydrating, but it is very grippy. Like your makeup is going to grip, hold. If you have a problem like with your makeup sticking to your nose or anything like that, this is the primer to use. Okay, I'm also going to use my RoC Vitamin C Eye Balm. Tap it out with the finger. I do like to just give the primer a second to soak into the skin. So I'm going to go ahead and curl my lashes while I'm waiting on the primer to soak in. And I'm going to use my Makeup by Mario mascara. Just coating the top lashes. Foundation today, I'm going in with these two. I've been loving the e.l.f. Halo Glow. This one is in the shade 4. I have literally been adding this to every foundation that I use. This one's getting empty, so I might make that like gloss that everybody was making. I just cannot waste products, so that's why I haven't made it. Like literally this one is probably down to here now. And then I will just add in a little bit of my L'Oreal True Match foundation. This one is in the shade N6. The coverage to that is so good. This is what we're looking like all blended out. Those two together really are perfection. I love them together. Cream bronzer, I am getting out my LYS bronzer stick. I haven't used this one in so long because the color is dark, but now that I'm tan, I can use this again. And I still cannot get a straight line down my nose, but it's close enough. And I'm going to use my Makeup by Mario brush today to blend this out. Usually I don't like to blend out with a brush on my nose because it removes the foundation, but honestly using that primer really helps everything to stick. And then I can use the big side to blend out the rest of the bronzer. I really need to wash my brushes so bad. Look at how easily that blends out. It is so good. It's just like such a good bronzer and it's so affordable. It lasts forever. I've literally had that bronzer stick forever. I need to get a lighter shade for my winter shade, but I mean, it just chisels and looks so beautiful on the skin. Okay, so for cream blush, I thought we would use Huda Beauty's Ube Cream. She's light and she's bright, but I just think this goes really well with like the purple vibes. And we'll just blend her out. This blush blends out so nicely too. And I don't think that it's like too light. I think it just gives you like a nice wash of color. It looks a little more intimidating than it is. Concealer, I'm going to use my LYS today. I need to use their foundation that I have as well. I haven't used that in a while. Now that I'm tan, I can use it again because this one is in the shade TN3. So this is my tan shade. And this concealer just melts in so nicely to your skin. If you have more mature skin, this is a great concealer because it's so thin. It's a very lightweight concealer. I would say that this is a medium coverage concealer. So if you're looking for something that's full coverage, this is not going to be it. But she just blends into the skin so nicely. Doesn't crease, and it really just looks flawless. Just using my Huda Beauty setting powder. I really do love this setting powder. It's so good. It's so thin and finely milled that it doesn't look dry on your skin, but it just sets everything down so beautifully. And I feel like with this powder, you can go in heavy-handed, and the second you use setting spray, it just literally makes everything melt. Okay, so for bronzer, I'm going in with the LYS. I love this powder bronzer too. Again, just looks so smoothing on the skin, really just melts in. Powder blush today, I'm gonna go in with this shade here. This one kind of matches that ube. It has like that lavender looking shade to it. It's kind of like a lavender pinky shade. It's just so pretty. I love it. And I am just going to mix in a little bit of my Fenty highlighter with that blush just to give it a sheen. That's even better. Then I will take a little bit of the highlighter and use on my nose, Cupid's bow. And then I will go ahead and use this on my inner corner and also the brow bone. I'm just going to go in with a little bit of this shade, and I'm going to run that under the lash line. Go in with just a little bit of mascara on the lower lashes. Run a little brow gel through the eyebrows so that way it gets any powder out of them. Now I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. Dewy Coconut Setting Spray. Okay, so let's do a lip combo for the day. I'm going to go in with this lip liner. This is from Nice Face, and I'm not sure the color because it doesn't tell me 02. It's just a really pretty purpley shade, and I thought it would just go good with the eye look today. So I think I am gonna try and use this. This has like glitter on it, but the glitter is just on the outside. It's not actually on the lipstick. Yeah, that's cute. This is from Hard Candy, and this is their Crystal Lip Duo. This one is in Brilliant Berry. Let's use a little bit of the lip gloss. I love it. I do go in kind of light-handed with the lip gloss because the lip gloss is pigmented. But just so cute, and I think it looks good with the eyeshadow that we did today. So yeah, I like this lip combo. Okay, to finish off my makeup look, I'm going to go in with the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter. And I'm just going to use that as a finishing powder lightly, just like the sheen that it gives my skin. Then I'm going to go in with Milani Make It Last just to lock everything in. And this is the completed look. I absolutely love how this look turned out. As always, thank you guys so much for hanging out and having some girl time with me, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!